This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jerry Richter. Indigo gated neighborhood in Lakewood Ranch. Immaculately kept, 3 bedrooms 2 bath, plus den. Victory great room floor plan at 1,766 square feet, stainless appliances, granite countertops, white cabinetry, porcelain wood plank tile in the whole home. No carpet. All bedrooms have large walk-in closets. Screened in large lanai with a private yard. Built in 2019, resort-like community pool and clubhouse, pickleball and social events. Available November 1, 2020. Unfurnished annual $2,495 month, no pets. Please reference https://lakewoodranch.com/ourvillages/indigo/ for more community information. Freestanding hot tub and lanai photo will be removed. For more information,